If you're trying to build no-code apps and burning through tons of tokens, you're probably wasting a ton of money. What if I told you that there's a better way to fix errors and learn how your app truly works and save cash all at the same time? Let's talk about my AI workflow for using tools like Bolt that can help you save money and learn at the same time. First, I always start with ChatGPT instead of Bolt. It's my idea partner. I lay out the vision for my app, what I want it to do, how it should work, the overall framework. ChatGPT helps me brainstorm everything and gives me a solid starting point. But that's just the beginning. From there, we take it to the next level in Bolt. Once I've got the vision mapped out, I take the notes from ChatGPT and drop them into Bolt. Bolt builds out the framework for the app based on my input. You'll want to iterate a few times in order to refine the structure so it's close to what you need. But that's the normal way that people use tools like Bolt. What about using Bolt on a deeper level? Here's where Bolt becomes more than just a tool. It becomes a teacher. I start asking Bolt questions like, how does my app's framework work? Or can you explain how the flow of this AI assistant works that we're building? Bolt doesn't just spit out the answers, it breaks down the entire structure and shows me how the components work together. From there, I take what I've learned and start planning optimizations in ChatGPT and Claude. This is where I'm not just saving tokens, I'm actually learning at the same time. Now here's where it gets fun. When I run into an error in Bolt, and trust me, errors happen, I bring in my sidekick, Claude. I copy the error message in from Bolt, along with any file references in the error, and paste it into Claude. Then I'll ask something like, what does this error mean and how do I fix it? And Claude is great at this. It explains what the error means, updates the file to fix the issue, and gives me exactly what I need. And then I just copy that file from Claude and paste it back into Bolt. The best part is that I'm fixing issues without burning through tons of tokens. Once I have this framework working, I start optimizing. I take files from Bolt and move them into Claude and ChatGPT. And I ask questions like, how can I improve this? Or does this code have any issues? Sometimes what I'll do is I'll go back and forth between Claude and ChatGPT and have them analyze my files and make suggestions like a team of collaborators. Now don't get me wrong, I love Bolt and they do an amazing job, so I'm happy to pay for their services. So when I have big changes that affect multiple files, I usually just let Bolt work its magic. A lot of times it's faster and keeps things from getting confusing. Sometimes you just have to let the tool just handle the heavy lifting and sit back while it works. So that's my process. Brainstorm with ChatGPT, build the framework in Bolt, learn the inner workings by asking Bolt questions, handle errors with Claude, and optimize with ChatGPT, and let Bolt handle the big stuff. In the process, I'm learning how everything works and saving money on tokens. It's a win-win. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments or share this with someone who needs to see it. And if you're into app building, automation, or just leveling up with AI tools, make sure you follow for more.